completed the preparation methods of aldehyde and ketones. Okay. Then next one point is an physical property of aldehyde and ketone. But physical property is common in all the chapters: boiling point, melting point, solubility. Okay, so not very important physical property. Only one reason is for the melting point, boiling point is an hydrogen bonding. Okay, in alcohol, the compound which contain the OH group or oxygen, that compound always have a hydrogen bonding to form a hydrogen bonding. Alcohol, phenol, aldehyde, ketones, acids have a hydrogen bonding, and hydrogen bond is strong bond as compared to other bonds, so their melting point, boiling point becomes too high. हे रिझन लक्षात ठेवायचं. ओके, सगळ्या चॅप्टरमध्ये हे कॉमन रिझन आहे. प्रॉपर्टी, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी सगळ्या कॉमन आहे. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन इज एन केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अल्डिहाइड अँड कीटोन्स. Chemical properties of aldehyde and ketones. Chemical properties of aldehyde and ketones. First one property is an addition of hydrogen cyanide. Addition of hydrogen cyanide. What is hydrogen cyanide? What is the formula of hydrogen cyanide? HCN. HCN, hydrogen cyanide. Okay, so addition of HCN, hydrogen cyanide, into aldehyde and ketones to form a cyanohydrine. For example, acetaldehyde. What is the formula of acetaldehyde? CH3 C double bond OH reacts with HCN. First one property, addition of hydrogen cyanide, HCN, KCN, that is potassium cyanide. If reacts with KCN, then to form a cyanide or nitrile group. Alkyl halide reacts with KCN, alcoholic KCN, to form a cyanide or nitrile. If reacts with silver cyanide, that is AgCN, then to form a isocyanide. And here HCN, hydrogen cyanide, reacts with carbonyl compounds, aldehyde and ketone, then to form here HCN dissociate into H plus and Cn minus. And Cn minus is a strong nucleophile. Strong nucleophile. They attack on this carbonyl carbon. Cn attack on this carbonyl carbon. Then this bond shift towards oxygen, carry a negative charge, and they attack on this hydrogen. Means to form here CH3C. This hydrogen as it is to form here OH and Cr, called as a cyanohydrine. Cyanohydrine. Second one example, don't write. Second one example, acetone. What is the formula of acetone? CH3 C double bond O CH3. Acetone reacts with HCN to form here again H plus Cn minus. Cn minus attack on this carbonyl carbon. Again oxygen carry negative charge, they attack on hydrogen. Means to form here CH3 C CH3 as it is. Here OH and Cr. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So cyanide group always attack on the carbonyl carbon, and then to form double bond O is into a OH group. Carbonyl carbon ला काय अटॅच करायचं? cyanide and OH group. Clear? Write down. Next one, addition of sodium bisulfite. addition of sodium bisulfite. Second one, chemical property. Addition of sodium bisulfite. Sodium, that is Na, by, that is hydrogen, sulfide, SO3, sodium bisulfite, NaHSO3, that dissociate into H plus and SO3Na. Okay, so sodium bisulfite, addition of sodium bisulfite into ethanol. What is the structure of ethanol? CH3 C double bond O H, that is acetaldehyde, reacts with sodium bisulfite, SO3 NaHSO3. Okay, so SO3Na attack on the carbonyl carbon, H plus and SO3Na minus, attack on this carbonyl carbon, this bond shift towards oxygen, carry negative charge, and they attack on again hydrogen to form here CH3COH H SO3Na. Second one example, acetone, propanone, CH3 C double bond O CH3 plus sodium bisulfite to form here CH3 COH CH3 and here SO3Na. Acetaldehyde sodium bisulfite, acetone sodium bisulfite. Third one property, addition of alcohol. Third one, chemical property, addition of alcohol. For example, acetaldehyde reacts with alcohol. For example, ethanol reacts, acetaldehyde reacts with ethanol, that is C2H5OH in presence of a dry HCl. Then to remove from this, C2H5OH. Okay, OH minus attack on this carbon. OH is a strong nucleophile. Okay, cyanide, sodium sulfite also acts as a strong nucleophile. They attack on the carbonyl carbon. Here OH is also strong nucleophile, attack on the carbonyl carbon. Then this bond shift towards oxygen, carry negative charge, and they attack on this C2H5. Okay, means to form here CH3 C, here OH H, and there is C2H5. C2H5 called as a hemiacetal. Hemiacetal. And this one hemiacetal further reacts with again alcohol. CH3 C OH C2H5 and H again reacts with alcohol, ethanol, in presence of dry HCl, in presence of a dry HCl. OC2H5. Printing mistake. Again reacts with to form a hemiacetal and further reacts with again alcohol, then to form here. From this to remove the water molecule H2O, okay, and then to form CH3 as it is, C as it is, then here OC2H5, 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 H2O remove from this, and here again yes, hemiacetal further reacts with alcohol, CH3 CH OH OC2H5, okay, then reacts with alcohol again, OH C2H5 ethanol, in presence of dry HCl. From this remove water molecule and there is OC2H5 to form here CH3 as it is, then CH CH3 CH OC2H5 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 OC2H5, okay, called as a acetal, to form a product acetal, okay. Write down, to write down, plus H2O, okay, done. Then next one is an for example addition of alcohol into ketone, addition of alcohol into ketone. For example, acetone, CH3 C CH3 double bond O, okay, reacts with ethylene glycol or ethane 1,2-diol, ethane 1,2-diol, OH CH2 CH2 OH, in presence of dry ether, in presence of a dry HCl, From this, remove the water molecule H2O, and to form a cyclic kettle, means CH3 as it is, this CH3 as it is, okay, CH3 as it is, H2O remove from this, and oxygen to form here cyclic kettle, CH2 क्लियर, समजलं. आता हे न्यू सिलेबसमध्ये आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे, बट प्रॉपर रिॲक्शन कशी होते याची, सेम ॲज पर टू अल्डिहाइड. CH3 सेकंड वे बघा, CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड ओ CH3 reacts with methanol, suppose methanol CH3OH in presence of dry HCl, then OH minus attack on this carbonyl carbon, this bond shift towards oxygen, carry negative charge, and they attack on this CH3, means to form here CH3 CH3 here OCH3, and this one here OH, that is hemikettle, and this one is hemikettle CH3 OCH3, and here OH group, hemikettle. Further again reacts with alcohol, OH CH3 methanol in presence of dry HCl. Then to remove from this H2O and methyl group attached to the oxygen to form a kettle, CH3 as it is, then here OCH3, and here also OCH3, it is kettle, to form here kettle. And here if reacts with ethane 1,2-diol to form a cyclic kettle, okay. कुठलंही विचारतील, इथं मिथॅनॉल घेतलंय, monohydric alcohol, and here dihydric alcohol. If there is dihydric alcohol, then to form a cyclic kettle, and if you use the monohydric alcohol, then a kettle, okay. Write down. Then next one, fourth one is an addition of Grignard's reagent into aldehyde and ketone, already done in alcohol, okay. Already reaction झालेली आपल्याला अल्कोहोल, फेनॉल and ether मध्ये. Addition of Grignard's reagent into aldehyde and ketone. For example, fourth one, chemical property, addition of Grignard's reagent RMgX is an Grignard's reagent. For example, propanol, 1, 2, 3 carbon propane, null, that is aldehyde, double bond OH, propanol. If reacts with Grignard's reagent, for example, methyl magnesium chloride in presence of dry ether, Mg positive, CH3 negative, attack on always carbonyl carbon, bond shift towards oxygen, carry negative charge, and they attack on MgCl, means to form CH3, CH2, then here CH, O, MgCl and CH3. Okay, and further hydrolysis, H3O plus, then OMgCl, MgCl, OH remove from this, and oxygen carry here OH group, CH to form here OH and CH3. भरपूर वेळा झालेली आपल्याला रिएक्शन. ओके, राईट डाऊन. Second one example, addition of ethyl magnesium bromide into acetone. Try this, solve this reaction. Acetone reacts with ethyl magnesium bromide. Yes, done?
Yes, sir.
डायरेक्टली मैं प्रोडक्ट लिखतो इथं, CH3, CH3, C2H5 and OH. Final product this one. Okay. Then next one is an addition of ammonia derivatives. Ammonia derivatives. किती नंबरची प्रॉपर्टी चालू आहे? फिफ्थ नंबर ना. Addition of ammonia derivatives. For example, first one is an ammonia derivatives, that is halogen derivative, halogen containing compound. So ammonia derivatives, ammonia NH3, NH2, NH containing compound means nitrogen containing compound. So for example, acetaldehyde, CH3, C double bond OH, if reacts with first one ammonia derivatives, hydroxylamine, amine, that is amine means NH2 group, hydroxy means OH, hydroxylamine. Then to form, only remove the water molecule from all the ammonia derivatives. Okay, remove H2O from this, minus H2O or byproduct plus H2O. Clear? Minus H2O layer over, otherwise byproduct H2O layer. Then connect this group, remaining CH3, CH double bond N and OH, called as a oxime. The product is formed as an oxime. Only remove the water molecule from all the ammonia derivatives. Clear? Reacts with aldehyde and ketone. Second one example, if ketone is there, acetone, CH3 double bond O reacts with hydroxylamine NH2OH. To remove from this, water only, H2O, and remaining groups are connected, CH3, then here C double bond N OH and OH plus H2O. Okay, The compound name is hydroxylamine to form oxime. Okay. Second one is if acetaldehyde reacts with hydrazine. Hydrazine is NH2 NH2. Hydrazine. NH2 NH2 means hydrazine. Same here, remove the water molecule from this to form here CH3 as it is CH double bond. The remaining group is an N NH2. H2O remove from this. Remaining is an N NH2. N NH2 plus H2O. The product named as hydrazone. Hydrazone. Clear? Write down. Next one, ammonia derivative is an phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine. Where is hydrazine? This one. NH2 NH2. Okay. So here phenyl hydrazine. Done. Next one, ammonia derivative. Addition of phenyl hydrazine. For example, acetaldehyde. Hydrazine means NH2 NH2. Okay. Phenyl hydrazine. NH2 as it is. NH. From this NH2 one hydrogen replaced by the phenyl group. Phenyl is an C6H5. That is benzene ring. Okay. C6H5 means benzene ring. Phenyl hydrazine. Same here, remove the water molecule and connect the remaining groups to form here phenyl hydrazone. CH3CH double bond N, then NH, and here C6H5 to form here phenyl hydrazone. Phenyl hydrazone. Okay. If acetone reacts with phenyl hydrazine, NH2 NH, C6H5, then to remove from this H2O and remaining groups are connected. CH3 CH3 as it is to form here double bond N, NH, C6H5 plus H2O. Clear? Only remove the water molecule and remaining groups are connected. All the ammonia derivatives, if reacts with aldehyde and ketones, then to remove only water from that. Next one, ammonia derivative is an semi-carbazide. Aldehyde reacts with semi-carbazide, that is NH2 NH CO NH2. Semi-carbazide. Remove from this H2O and remaining groups are connected to form here CH3 CH double bond N, NH CO NH2 plus H2O called as the semi-carbazone. Okay.